have the ability to choose the different sources that I'm pulling from. I can choose to pull from blogs, Facebook, Twitter, news, and video, or all of them. And I can choose all of these languages here to search in. So it gives me maximum flexibility to choose which languages that I want to. Let's say I want to search for this in English and German. I'm going to go ahead and select Test Search Query to be able to see what this looks like. You'll notice here it gives me a little alert saying that the search query will select approximately 44 posts on Twitter every single month. The good news about that is that effectively it means that you don't have to worry that you're going to exceed your 10,000 post limit, because this is only going to consume approximately 44 posts. Now that is an estimate based on the words that you've used as well as the past information that Microsoft has collected. You will want to revisit this over the course of the month to ensure that you're not using a lot more or a lot less than you had otherwise anticipated. If you want to, you can come in here and then choose to close the query, and it will add it into your environment to allow you to begin searching for that information. Now you'll notice when I have in here, it gives me a quick list of the fact that 4 out of the 5 sources I've chosen to search, as well as 2 of the 19 languages. And I can come in here and look at the other query that I have as well. All of these queries will aggregate information that will then flow up into that search topic. So in this case, I've chosen to search for CRM Online, but I've excluded some of these other keywords that occasionally appear because I'm concerned that those might give me suggestions that I'm not interested in collecting. Once I've built that query up, those topics will naturally flow into the top level section of Microsoft Social Listening. So let me show you what that looks like now that I've built it. So from within the Social Listening top page, it immediately gives me a global view of all the items that I have, all the search topics that I have as an organization. I can tell at a glance what the share of voice is for all those sources. As you can see, most of those bits of information I'm collecting are on Twitter. And certainly this is true of the demonstration organization that I've set up. It may not be true of your organization. Your organization might be mostly Facebook or might be mostly blog posts. What's important to note is by identifying this share of the source of voices, I can say that whatever campaigns that I address need to be campaigns that target Twitter, because that's where I'm going to get the best bang for my buck. I'm going to be able to determine what people are saying by using Twitter rather than the other items. Facebook, for instance, only accounts for 6.7% of the posts that I'm searching for actively, and blogs accounts for about 12%. It'll be different for every organization, but understanding what that looks like is critical to crafting a successful social strategy.